Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing something to this nest, honey. I haven't decided. I think I want to do a braid out this time. It's already stretched, and this is actually the perm rod set on blown out hair. So it's just old, dusty, crusty, rusty, all that, you know. This is what it looked like. This is like day 6. And this is after I have been doing this all day, because I've been just trying to just make it as ugly as I can, honestly. I was like, I'm over it. I want to see how big it can get, and it just keep getting bigger and uglier. So I want to go ahead and make myself cute again, and I want to go ahead and put some braids in. Y'all, I am so tired. Girl, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. 3:15 in the morning, sis. Why am I up? Why do I do this? I don't know. I don't know. But tomorrow I will be, you know, more energized. But for right now, this is what you get. So I have 2 products that I'm going to be using in this video. I may just use this one, which is the mousse, and this is by My Curl Products. I think it's called mycurlproducts.com. And actually, I found out about these products because I followed the person that actually created the products. I just like her Instagram page. It's a hairstylist. She does wash and goes. It's kind of rare to see hairstylists actually just doing like a bunch of wash and goes on like type 4 hair. So I figured, why not give this a try? So I'm going to be trying out the mousse. I don't know if I'm going to add this gel. It's like a flaxseed. I might add it depending on what my hair needs. So I'm going to start from the back. You guys know how I do. I'm not going to do them too small, y'all. My hair's already stretched, so it shouldn't need them to be super small. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair off, though, and we're going to get started. And this is my makeup from earlier, y'all. I didn't just slap on some makeup just for this. So I got my first section back here, y'all, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and take some of this mousse. Ooh, it smells so sweet. I think I need to shake it up some more. It has a runny consistency. I try to show it to y'all, but then when you put it in your hand, it gets like this. Such a weird consistency. I've never seen anything like it. Anywho, just gonna go ahead and apply that, brush it through, and I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush to brush this through, y'all, because you don't want to break off your hair. Literally, I am trying to just stretch out the hairstyle as opposed to having to wash it all the time. But be careful when you guys are trying to detangle your hair from a perm rod set, you know? Y'all know what? I just feel like putting a little bit of this gel on because I'm like, I want this to hold. All right, I'm applying the gel. Well, the curl sauce. She calls it a curl sauce. Okay, y'all, so I've already basically done all the braids except the last one. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing. I did go ahead and do a middle part because I just want it to be like, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foaming mousse. I've been applying this first, and it seems like you gotta shake this product up. So I just applied that. In all honesty, I don't know what it's doing to my hair. Like, it's like an oil almost. Look at my hands. It's a mousse though, but it just gives me oil vibes. It's very oily. The products and everything is so oily. So I'm gonna go in with the curl sauce, which is the gel. It's a flaxseed gel. It looks like this, y'all. It's not like a heavy gel, but I could tell it got a little hole to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that, and then I'm gonna brush it through. And as you can see, these products don't really revert my hair that much, which is cool. I have like super long braids, so I'm digging it. I'm gonna go ahead and break it up into 3 pieces. And then you just want to braid. And now once I get to the end, I want to add some more of the gel. And I've been adding a lot. Actually, that was too much. And then once I add that gel, I just go ahead and comb that through, because I want a nice curl at the end. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply a white perm rod. As you can see, I've been applying the perm rods to my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm just gonna roll that around and make sure I really smooth the hair around that rod, just like that. And the reason I'm using perm rods is clearly because my hair was in a blowout state, so doing a finger coil would be a lot harder because I've blown out my hair. So perm rods it is. And those are the perm rods. I ran out of the white ones, so you see the blue ones in places. I gotta get some more of these white ones. I like the size of those. But anywho, these are my braids, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them up, because as you can see, it's starting to fray because of my t-shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my bonnet on. But that's what it looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair for you guys too. I'm gonna first wrap my hair with this scarf. Girl, it's dirty, got all the makeup on it. Ooh, so nasty. Alright, so you just place it in the back like that. And this is what I use to just tie my edges back and all the hair back, because I don't want it in my face. So I have my scarf on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a bonnet. Go ahead and make sure you put all your rollers in like that right there. And this is how your girl go to sleep. So now I'm gonna take my makeup off and go to bed, because sis, it is 4:51 a.m. So it's time for your girl to go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and my hair should be dry. I haven't taken out the rollers yet. I'm about to take them out right now. I don't know. I'm hoping that it's all good and dry and set in. It feels good and dry and set in. So what time is it? It's 6 p.m. the next day, 6:36 to be exact. And all I did was sleep in it. I did not sit under a dryer. There has been no additional heat. All I did was go to sleep because I didn't apply a lot of water. You know what I'm saying? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just take these out and see. Should have a nice curl on the ends for every last one of them. So just make sure you good to go. Alright, you guys, so now that all of my perm rods have been taken out, I'm just going to go ahead and pin up my hair, but I'm going to leave out the back because we're going to start from the back, unraveling and all that good stuff. And now I'm going to take this oil. It is the Moisture Love Seal with a Kiss finishing oil. I'm just going to put some in my hand, rub it in between my fingers and stuff just to help with the separation process. And when you're taking the loose braids, it takes a minute. It's just like taking out braids. But you got to be more careful because you are really concerned about the pattern. So just take your time and remove the braids. Sometimes you just pull it up like this and it'll start unraveling too. So I'm going to go ahead and take all of this out, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final results. Alright, y'all. Sorry about the mess in the background. I was just doing my makeup. That what happened. So we here. So friend, it's my hair. And honestly, I like it. It's like fluffy but controlled, you know? I'm here for it. I'm here for it. It gives me so much length. Let me show y'all. Look how long my hair looks. What? I love it. It's so cute and fluffy. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it is a quick hairstyle. And I feel like this is something that you could do like every night. Just put you 4 plaits with the perm rods on the end, take them out, fluff, and go. I feel like you don't need that many braids that I did, girl. I don't know why I did that many plaits or whatever. But anywho, I don't know what this little part doing either. But anyway, y'all, that is the end of the video. But this is another hairstyle you could do. You do not have to automatically just wash your hair after your perm rod set is old. Comb that bad boy out. Put a twist in there, put some braids in there, put some perm rods on the end. Sis, you got another hairstyle. You got another hairstyle. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. I just wanted to do it for you guys who are sitting at home or don't have a lot of time. You may be an essential worker, or you may just be sitting at home. So here's just a hairstyle to get us through the quarantine. Okay, friends? So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.